The splash for dust and glory during the 2018 KCB Autocross season opener came to a dramatic close. Alfir Khan defeated Asad Anwar in the opening category by 3 seconds, while his son Hamza Anwar finished third, clocking 8 minutes 2.1 seconds in the opening category. Four-wheel drive turbo defending champion Brehani Shah was victorious yet again in the outing, clocking 7 minutes 47.30 seconds ahead of Lavjot Singh and Sahib Omar, while Makre Kimathi finished fourth ahead of Ken Tera and Jackson Wandeto. Hamza Anwar won the two-wheel drive Nantarbo ahead of Samia Naljir and Safina Khan.
It's a good finish for us, Hamza and me on the podium. So we are going to do the rest of the season, definitely in the open class, and it was a fun day. KCB did a good job, Simba Union. It was Raj Dudley with the circuit. We had a fantastic day.